It's a pleasure to be here. I'm here on behalf of the minister who could not make it. However, it is a pleasure to be here and be part of these formalities. The Global Green Institute and the Pacific Center for Renewable Energy and Energy Efficiency have organized this series of workshops. Fiji is the first, as you know, and then there'll be Vanuatu and Kiribati workshops taking place. And these workshops are, as you would have learned this morning, focused on engaging the private sector in addressing issues relating to the implementation of sustainable development goals, addressing issues of climate change, waste management, and other environmental issues. And this objective is very much in line with the Fijian government's vision, as our Honorable Prime Minister, as you know, leads the global charge through COP23 towards reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Fiji, like all the other Pacific Island countries, will bear the brunt of climate change and its impact on critical issues concerning to us, such as food security, poverty, and ultimately our existence. And we need to continue to strive to find sustainable solutions and green business models with a view to mitigating and adapting to these harsh realities. And if we don't do so, it will be a folly on us. And recently, our Prime Minister at the Talanoa Dialogue event at the Global Climate Action Summit pointed out that national governments alone cannot solve the climate crisis and achieve the SDGs at the same time. He highlighted the need for us to all work in tandem to achieve tangible and lasting progress. So this is where we as a country are tapping into the grassroots and our rural communities, and also garnering commitment from businesses and civil societies, which is very important. We are looking for initiatives and measures that will encourage more domestic businesses to adopt green technologies and processes, and simply put, go green. So in this regard, our national budget that was recently announced has continued on green environmental related initiatives, and they have at the same time introduced new and innovative initiatives through policy measures to focus on green businesses and incentives to encourage green businesses to come up. So as our country transforms itself and prepares to face the future, we need new ideas and concepts, and we need innovation, new technologies, we need new business models, new types of products, new ways of doing, and new ways of thinking. And this is what the Greenpreneurs Week, I think, is all about. And one reason why we as a ministry have rendered our support to GGI and its partners. And this workshop provides the ministry with the opportunity to create more awareness on our own programs and initiatives like the Young Entrepreneurship Scheme, and make young Fijians more aware of the importance of sustainable development. Fijian government, through the YES initiative, is aiming to bring out innovative, fresh, new business ideas and products which will grow Fiji in a sustainable way. And the question we get asked over and over again, and I'm sure some of you have asked this, why young? Why young entrepreneurs? It's simply because we have a young population, which means 50% of our population is under the age of 27 and a half years, and 70% is below the age of 40. So I am, ladies and gentlemen, in the minority. You perhaps are in the majority. Therefore, as a young nation, young Fijians need to be given all the relevant support necessary to realize their dreams, and especially the passion to do business. The YES scheme provides young Fijians between the ages of 18 and 30, I'm sure you know, with the support in terms of grant funding of up to $20,000. And the YES selection panel, which is made up of mainly private sector, carefully assesses the business ideas and provides expert advice, guidance, mentoring to assist your businesses to be commercially viable and at the same time sustainable. And I was just telling people here that this very morning, we had a YES selection panel meeting, and 2 business ideas were approved. One relating to traffic impact assessment, which is a issue for Fiji, and the other related to hydroponics and agriculture. So today was the first day of the workshop, the Green Entrepreneurship Week. I believe all the participants are young people and those that are young at heart also and have some experience under their belt. But all of them have innovative ideas for green businesses that this workshop needs to nurture. And there are a number of economic opportunities that exist in our economy. And there's many examples of this in the agricultural sector, in the manufacturing sector, in the IT sector. I, for one, have a pet peeve as to why I can't make payment using my mobile phone. When other countries, this is a norm. Countries like China, where you just tap and go, or scan and go. It would make a lot of sense. We all carry smartphones, but why should we carry a wallet just to go down the market, or go down to our supermarket, or to go down to a petrol station to pay for things we need? And of course, transportation will be a major issue with a growing number of cars. Supplementing and enhancing public transportation is an area where innovative solutions could be applied for traffic systems. For example, designing a transportation specifically for women and children. That would be an area that I would be very much interested in. There is e-commerce and electronic payment gateway. Someone was mentioning that one of the participants is thinking about exporting. With electronic payment gateway and e-commerce, you basically remove all the borders you have, whether it's a district border or an island border or a country border. Your customers are not your local community or the people of this country, but your global citizens. So you expand your customer base. And of course, Fiji is a services economy, but if you use IT to the services sector, you make it more efficient and you get that global competitive edge, be it food delivery or courier or logistics, or even delivery of legal services and accounting services. You broaden your horizon. You can be sitting in Mombasa providing accounting services to a firm in Suva. So I'm confident that these 2 days of workshop will be very beneficial to you and help you move your business to the next level and generate new ideas as to how your business can make money, at the same time help solve some of the environmental issues we have. I note that the workshop goals are to at least develop 10 new business ideas, and 5 of these will be supported to register as new businesses and new product lines. I'm very happy to announce that the Young Entrepreneurship Scheme will consider all eligible proposals and ideas from this workshop that offer credible and sustainable business ventures and plans. And we will be considering them and also providing support as to how they can be approved by the Yes Selection Panel. So finally, I'd like to thank the Global Green Growth Institute and its partners, like the Pacific Center for Renewable Energy and Energy Efficiency, for organizing this workshop. We look forward to the continued collaboration with all of you and the GGI for the Start Your Business trainings that we have been having. And with those words, I wish you well in your workshop and this evening's networking session, and look forward to hearing more about your successes in the future. Vinaka Bakalevo, and thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
The PIDF. We very much broke the workshop in the official session this afternoon. They do not have electricity. So the challenge is on.